to my channel and welcome to another video. So before you guys judge me, I know it's the ages I made hair tutorial in my channel. It's like ages. Like I'm going to put up the thumbnail of the last hair tutorial I did for you guys over here. So after that, I've just been lazy. Will I call it lazy? Right from when I was in school, I normally make my hair by myself, but since I got married, it has not been easy to make my hair by myself. But after some time, I stopped uploading hair videos in my channel. Not that I stopped, but I've been lazy to make my hair. I've been lazy to just take care of my hair, so I often go to the salon to make them. But I decided to bring back my lost passion, which is making my hair. So in today's video, sorry for digressing, but in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this yarn locks. If you know what yarn is, wool. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this yarn locks, how I was able to do it. It was not easy, but guys, we got to do what we got to do. It took me 2 days. It took me 2 days to do this. It took me 2 days to do all this you see here. It took me 2 good days. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to do this, and I'm going to show you guys a tutorial after this intro. So if this is what you would like to watch, stick around to the end of this video. Everything you need is going to be detailed after this intro. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please click on that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, and after that, leave a constructive comment for me. If you want me to start to bring back my hair tutorial, if you want me to start doing my hair tutorial normally, just leave it in the comment section, because it's not easy to make your hair by yourself. I know what I went through. You juggle through making your hair, you juggle through being a mom, you juggle through being a wife, and all those good stuff. So it was not easy. It took me 2 days to do this with a lot of body pains and stress, but I'm proud of myself. And then this is the end result. I'm just going to come closer. This is the end result. This is what it looks like. So in a scale of 1 to 10, please rate me in the comments section, and you can also learn how to do yours. It's quite easy, but it's time consuming, but you can achieve it. So stay to the end of the video so you learn how to do yours. I'll see you in the end. I started off by washing my hair. I just washed it and make sure it's clean from any form of residuals from the last hair I made. And after that, I just basically sectioned it like this. As you can see, I'm done with the back already. I'm done with the back, and this side is almost done. So I'm here right now. Yarn locks is something that is lightweight, and it's also a form of protective hairstyle that you can use to protect your natural hair or any hair. And it's also something that you can do. You don't need to break the bank to get this hair done. Like since yesterday I started just this part of my hair. I've not used up to half dozen of wool. In Nigeria here they sell it in little quantities. Like a pack of wool is like 16 pieces, so half is like 8, and I got 8 because my hair is not full. So I've not finished using the 8. I'm still in the 4. Like I've used 2, then I rolled out another 2. So I'm in the second 2 now. That's the other 4 is not even touched. So let's see what I'm able to come up with, if I'm able to finish it, or it depends on the volume of your hair. If your hair is full, then you can do more than that, but mine is not full, and I don't want it to be too full. I just need something that is okay. You're going to be needing a comb now, precisely to pat your hair, and then a moisturizer. This is the one I used. It's called hair conditioner, Opiume hair conditioner. So this is what I used it. I love this one because of the ingredients. It has avocado oil, olive oil, aloe vera, and shea butter. That's why I got it to moisturize my hair, and it does a lot of things. So that's what I use. You're going to need your yarn. This is what I'm using, and this one is baby wool. Baby wool is in Nigeria. Baby wool is more expensive than the other one. It's fine when you use it to knock up your hair. And basically, you're going to be using a scissors and a lighter. This is what I'm using. So guys, that is basically what you need. So I'm going to go ahead to show you the process on how I locked mine. So let's do this. So first of all, you're going to start out by measuring the yarn you want to use. For this hairstyle, I used 12. I used 6 to braid the hair, and then I used 6 to wrap. Guys, I'm going to walk you through this section. I hope you guys can see me. Take out 6 strands to braid. A braiding pattern inside. Make sure that the hair you took out is like equal in size. So to achieve this, you have to braid the pattern is braid in the inside and then use the other 6 to wrap. So that's the pattern of, that's the way you can achieve this particular one. Let's go on. So guys, where your hair stops. Look at this is the length of my hair. So I'm actually going to stop around here. You're going to take another 6 to wrap. Try to make sure that they are equal at the tip. Something like this, make sure that they are equal. Just get them. So now you start wrapping. You can take as small as this to attach to the hair and then start wrapping. So you wrap the roots 3 times or 4 times, depends on how tight you want it to be. But don't make it too tight because of your edge. Then you start wrapping the body.
So guys, as you can see, the hair is completed now. I'm just showing you guys how it looks like. I'm just going to trim the body and trim out any excess yarn, and then after that I'm going to cut it off using the scissors, and after that I'm just going to burn it and roll it in the middle of my palm so that it comes out looking straight and having this kind of
Welcome
shape.
back, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you learned one or two ways on how you can achieve your yarn locks. There are different ways to do it. You can crochet it, or you put a braid in and then you wrap. So I hope you got the gist from the tutorial. So if this is what you would like to watch, I'm repeating again, subscribe to my channel, leave your constructive comment, give this video a like, and share it to as many persons that is going to help. You don't need to go to the salon to spend huge amount of money. You can do this by yourself. So far you know the basics of making hair. You can do it by yourself, and it's time consuming, but what is worth it is worth it. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.